Today, we'll use the tools shown in the picture above to assemble a door lock. Minimal installation steps. Fix the mounting base plate. Attach the black base plate to the inner side of the door panel and secure it with short screws. Install the lock body. Insert the lock body into the base plate opening and fasten it with screws, ensuring the latch extends and retracts smoothly. Secure decorative parts. Fit the U-shaped trim strip. Then install the panel with the silver accent, securing it with long screws. Mount the lock cylinder. Insert the lock cylinder and test with a key 2. Confirm smooth rotation and proper latch movement. Final test. Open and close the door to verify smooth locking. And check all screws for tightness.